Introducing the Waldent MaxCure 1 Light Cure Unit, a compact, efficient LED curing light designed for fast and reliable polymerization. Let's start with the unboxing. Inside the box you see a user manual, a warranty card, a warning card, a packaging list, and a quality certificate, a light hood or protective cover, a USB Type-C charging cable, an 8mm optical fiber tip, the MaxCure 1 Curing Light handpiece, attach the protective light shield to the curing unit. Insert the optical fiber tip into the handpiece using a gentle twisting motion. For first-time use, it is recommended to charge the unit for at least 2 hours. The time indicator light scrolls while charging and stops once the battery is fully charged. The MaxCure 1 features a compact, lightweight body with an ergonomic grip, allows easy access even in difficult areas of the oral cavity. The display provides clear visibility of curing time. The unit supports 3 curing time modes. The 3-second mode offers a light intensity of 1600 to 1800 milliwatts per square centimeter for fast curing. The 10-second mode offers a light intensity of 1000 to 1200 milliwatts per square centimeter for general applications. The 20-second mode offers a light intensity of 1000 to 1200 milliwatts per square centimeter for general applications. Fast and precise curing of the composite. This curing light delivers powerful, reliable polymerization every time. Designed with a 2-minute automatic shutdown for safe and efficient operation. If curing output appears reduced, check that the optical fiber tip is clean and correctly positioned close to the working surface. If the curing light does not turn on, ensure the battery is sufficiently charged, and remember that the unit cannot be used while charging. Avoid autoclaving or exposing the device to high temperatures, as excessive heat can damage components and reduce service life. Only the optical fiber tip can be autoclaved. The Waldent MaxCure 1 Light Cure unit offers fast 3-second curing, simple operation, compact design, and dependable performance at an economical price point. It is an excellent choice for dentists. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this YouTube channel.